Hello, my name is Liam Roche. My student number is 102568843, and this is my Robotic Process Automation Design Part 2 of Assignment 2. We will now look at the project, run from start to finish. We can now see after the end of the execution of this program, the example users 1, 2, and 3, have been transferred into a zip file named users and have been deleted from the system, therefore clearing up much needed space for the device. I'll now walk you through the technical side of things and how this program is developed. At the start, we send a hotkey to open when the windows are. This will open the run program. We'll type in Clean Manager, then press OK. All of this is done using the screen recording tool built in by the system. For the most part, we use the basic record. However, sometimes we use the desktop because it made more sense to select things such as text. Further going down, we click OK, click Delete Files. We wait for 5 seconds to clear the cache. We wait 5 seconds as it can take take a while to clear these files. However, we may need to up it to 5 to 10 seconds later on, depending on the file size and testing in the real world, as my computer is just a simulation of how the program runs, not a real life example. We'll now have a look at how the disk sizes are recorded. As you can see, if the disk size is less than 256 gigabytes, we proceed, or else we finish the task. In this case, we can see that down here we've calculated the 180 gigs of free on the device. I can confirm that by showing you the C drive here, which is a 48.8 gigs free of 131. Looking down, if we have free space and this disk size is not 256 meg or gigs, then we continue with the program. Else, we'll finish it. It will write a line, you have spare disk space, and finish the program. However, this is subject to change as this is only a test. We may in some cases lower this amount to accommodate to the disk size of the PCs that are shipped out to branches. We'll now continue with the program. In this part, we'll open the C drive. I will start by running, open the C drive by sending a hotkey and clicking OK. Then we'll search for text. We'll look for the users. After that, we'll open the program, as we'll send a double click to the program once we've found it. As you can see, mouse button left, click. In there, we'll then look for anything with the user underscore tag. User underscore tag makes it so we can search for it in this section, as we did in the example. As you can see, instead of double clicking, what we'll be doing is we'll be targeting the thing and we'll be going button left click singular. This will also have the control key modifier, so we'll be select clicking rather than double clicking. This part here may have been the hardest to perfect. After we selected the 3 user profiles, which is repeated 3 times, we then right click on the users, or all 3 users selected. Then we wait 2 seconds, and my strategy was to go for the A key. I'll show you why we've put an A key input here. If I go into my users here, create a file, and right click, the only way you can screen record or select the add to archive is by hitting the key A, as it pops up first in that list with the letter A. For example, if you hit O, it would open, or P, it would pin. When you right click, you can't screen record or screen record the text to select this exact add to archive. So by hitting A, this is the only viable method of doing such. We then scroll down, hit OK, as we can see. So we add and hit OK here. Quick delay whilst it creates. Hit the delete key. Select the all current items, which pops up when you go ahead with the process. Click continue. Hit close, and we're finished with the program. I'll quickly show you once again, as I did in the first part, how it looks in the flow diagram, and we'll wrap it up. So from the top one last time, we check for the disk space in here. If yes, it's full, we finish with the else statement. If no, we continue and choose the folders, users. We then archive the folder. And then delete all the other folders, the original folders that were taking up the space. Then we close the File Explorer and end the task. Thank you for your time, and thank you for listening to Part B of my RPA Assignment Part 2.